Shopify Capital provides funding to eligible merchants to help them grow their businesses. It's designed to be a straightforward process, often without the lengthy applications and credit checks of traditional loans. Here's how to potentially get Shopify Capital funding. Number 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Shopify automatically assesses your store's eligibility based on several factors. While specific thresholds aren't always disclosed, general requirements include: be a Shopify merchant. Your store must be actively subscribed to a Shopify plan and hosted on a Shopify platform. Location: Shopify Capital is currently available to eligible merchants in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Operating history: your store generally needs to have been active and operational for at least 90 days. Some sources say 3 months. Sales performance: consistent sales volume, frequency of sales, and overall sales performance are crucial. Higher and more consistent sales increase your chances. Shopify payments usage: using Shopify payments as your primary payment gateway is a significant factor, as it allows Shopify to easily track your revenue. Account health: your Shopify account must be in good standing, meaning compliance with Shopify's acceptable use policy and terms of service, and a good payment history with minimal chargebacks or disputes. Customer engagement: the level of interaction between customers in your store, including low refund rates, is considered. No active Shopify Capital loan/advance. If you have an existing Shopify Capital loan or advance, your repayment history and status will be evaluated for a new offer. Usually, you need to have repaid a certain percentage, e.g., 65%, of your current funding to be eligible for a new offer. Number 2. Receive an offer from Shopify. Shopify Capital is an invitation-only program. If your store meets the eligibility criteria, Shopify will send you an offer. You will typically be notified in one of 2 ways. Email invitation: you'll receive an email from Shopify. Shopify admin notification: a message will appear on the home page or under the Finance Capital section of your Shopify admin dashboard. Number 3. Review and accept the offer. Access the offer. Log into your Shopify admin and navigate to the Finance Capital section to view available funding offers. Understand terms. Carefully review the terms of the offer, which will detail the funding amount, the fixed borrowing fee. Shopify Capital uses a factor rate instead of interest, and the repayment percentage. Merchant cash advance. MCA: you receive a lump sum, and Shopify collects a percentage of your daily sales until the total amount, advance plus fee, is repaid. There's no fixed repayment deadline. Loan: you receive a lump sum and typically repay it through fixed daily or monthly payments. Accept: if the offer suits your business needs, accept it directly through your Shopify admin. Number 4. Receive funds. Once you accept the offer and complete any necessary identity and business detail verification, the funds are typically deposited into your linked bank account within 2 to 5 business days. Number 5. Repay the funding. Repayment is automatic and tied to your sales. Daily sales deduction. For merchant cash advances and often for loans, Shopify automatically deducts a percentage of your daily sales until the total amount, funding plus fee, is repaid. This means you pay back more when sales are high and less when sales are slow. Fixed payments. Some loan options might have fixed daily or monthly payments. By consistently operating a healthy and successful Shopify store, you increase your chances of receiving and utilizing Shopify Capital funding for your business growth.